5G will be one of the most critical building blocks of the European digital economy and society in the next decade. To tackle this opportunity effectively and reap all the benefits it has to offer, the European-funded project 5G Solutions is validating that 5G provides prominent industry verticals with ubiquitous access to a wide range of forward-looking services, with orders of magnitude of improvement over 4G, thus bringing the 5G vision closer to realization. 5G Solutions is deploying a set of living labs selected to represent compelling services that are expected to have a high future business potential and economic impact in strategic vertical industry segments that require 5G performance capabilities. Factories of the future. Thousands of billions of goods are produced every day in the world, and advanced robotized production lines are working 24/7 to produce consumer items, while augmented reality looks for the rise of new remote services that can facilitate effective knowledge sharing in the factory. The 5G community can play a key role in delivering the unifying technology building blocks, supporting the manufacturers to realize significant efficiency increases through highly connected production chains. Sensors are used to monitor processes and products, offloading information to data centers for storage, whilst artificial intelligence algorithms try to increase the system's efficiency. Smart energy. 5G technology can fix the problem of real-time exchange of information of the charging power which vehicles in a given service area are allowed to absorb, so that a certain number of requirements are met. Current solutions are based on centralized control methods. However, the computational effort grows as more charging vehicles appear, which gives yet another reason as to why the 5G network is a key point for the scheduling of charging sessions or a fast reschedule of them. Smart cities and ports. The use of 5G in smart cities is supporting billions of connections from many connected devices, ranging from low-cost sensors to more expensive ones. In the case of sensory street lamps, these save energy by dimming the lights where no activity is detected. In terms of intercity parking spaces, the sensors allow connected vehicles to check for availability and even book their own spots. For smart city co-creation, all cameras, sensors, and drones collect data about the state of the road and other assets. Buildings and campuses become smarter by enhancing their monitoring capabilities about building infrastructure of data. 5G can impact business verticals like port infrastructure, autonomous assets, and logistics in ports. Media and entertainment. Live media is about creating exciting, immediate, and shared experiences for large audiences in real time. This poses demanding quality of service and quality of experience requirements, which are difficult to satisfy throughout the communications chain. 5G Solutions validates 5G performance versus the needs of the live media workflows. We are deploying multiple actions from professional production and user-generated content to distribution to mobiles, all via 5G, over the innovative environment for research in 5G technologies. If you want to learn even more, visit our website